Good evening, team. This is our first webinar in 2021 with HDFC Life. So today they are launching a new product called Sanchay Maximizer. It is a basically savings combo plan. So we have Mangesh, Vaibhav, and Mr. Agarwal as the trainer. Mangesh, over to you. You can introduce your team.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Trupti. Good evening, team. Hi, this is Mangesh from SDFC Live. So we have Vaibhav and Mr. Bunty Agarwal. Bunty Agarwal is from Learning and Development team who is going to take the session of Sanchay Maximizer today. Okay. Sanjay, Bunty, please over to you. You can explain about the product.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mangesh. Thank you so much. First of all, a very, very happy new year to each one of you. And, we'll talk about Sanchay Maximizer and let us understand this, as you can see on the screen, it is showing as saving combo solution, which it in itself tells you that this is basically not a product, but this is a solution which is being provided by a combination of a few products and how it can be beneficial to the customer, right? So what we are going to discuss is earlier also I think we are aware about Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par Advantage plan. So however, I'll also brief you about this plan, the option which we are using out here, and we will also understand that how Sanchay Maximizer can be the right kind of a combo solution for our customers. Okay. Before I move on to that, let me just give you an analogy which will actually help us understand Sanchay Maximizer in a very, very easy way. Say today, if I call all of us financial doctors, so we all are basically financial doctors. So we advise people looking at their savings habit, and we advise them that what is the current or what can be the instrument wherein they should invest. So we are all financial doctors talking to our customers. Okay. Now, once we talk to them and we let them know about our products and concepts, what we are telling to them is to take a doctor's job is basically to prescribe medicines. So say over here, say the doctor is prescribing two medicines to the patient, okay, and asking them to go to the chemist shop and take that medicine. Now, if a customer goes, just hears the name of the medicine and goes to the chemist shop and tells him that I want this medicine, maybe he'll not be able to put up the right kind of pronunciation of that medicine or the composition, or he may not know the spelling. So what the doctor does is he writes a prescription. So he writes a prescription. So that prescription, the patient takes it to the chemist, and the chemist is very easily able to understand that, and he's able to give the correct medicine to the patient. So over here, the doctor are we are the doctors who are pitching the product to the customers. The customers are the patient because they require financial solutions. The prescription is Sanchay Maximizer and the medicine is Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par Advantage. The chemist is the life insurance company. Correct? So that is the basically analogy where we can understand that how this particular combo actually works. Now, if we talk about, can we move on to the next slide? If we see today, what the customer requires from all of us. Today, customer need is increasing and varying kind of need customer is looking at. Maybe the type of solution which the customer is looking at, that is not possible from one particular plan alone. That is why a combination of product is very, very essential to meet customers' need. Today, the customer wants, a good return. The customer wants limited premium paying term. The customer wants tax-free return. The customer wants guaranteed returns. The customer is also looking from the upside of the market. The customer also wants that I don't want to wait to receive the benefit for a longer period of time, and if I can receive the benefit instantly or say the next year or within 2 to 3 years, then the customer is looking for those kind of benefit. The customer is telling us that okay, what if I want a combination of product, or I want such a product which can give me certain income, however at the same point of time if I can have some guarantees, and also if some lump sum can also be provided to me. since we are talking about coverage, if coverage can also be provided to me for a longer period of time. So we are basically providing to the customer two kinds of products, a combination in Sanchay Maximizer. Can we move ahead? Yeah. So these two products which we are talking about is Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par Advantage. Now, if I talk about Sanchay Plus, the option which we are talking here is a long-term option, wherein we are saying that, and the option which we'll be using here, we are saying that a Sanchay Plus is a product which is basically a non-par product, wherein we will be able to tell to the customer that what is the amount of money or at what percentage we are going to pay to our customers. Sanchay Par Advantage, if we talk about, this is one kind of a product wherein in Sanchay Maximizer we are using a immediate income option, wherein we are telling to the customer that right from the very next month or right from the very next year, as the customer chooses, we will be in a position to provide to them the benefit. So what we are providing is, we are providing them cash bonuses, we are providing them guaranteed return, we are providing them income for whole life, we are also providing to them a return of their total premium, and at the same point of time, the customer is able to have liquidity, at the same point of time risk coverage over a longer period of time. So the customer is able to fulfill his requirement on a guaranteed and a coverage for the entire tenure. Yeah. As we move forward, now, if you see on your screen, you can actually see that how it is the working of the plan. So what we are saying is that in this particular plan, we are asking the customer to pay us for 10 years. So the customer pays us for 10 years, 11th year. So 11th year is my waiting period. From Sanchay Par Advantage, we start giving, the income to the customer right from the very next year. And from Sanchay Plus, from the after the premium paying term, there's a waiting of 1 year, and then for the next 25 years, we pay him the guaranteed component. So that starts coming to the customer. And then the policy term ends, and then we give him the all the premiums which he had paid for Sanchay Plus is given back to the customer, and the plan under Sanchay Par Advantage continues, wherein the cash bonus continues to be paid to the customer till his 100 years of age, and post that so once the customer survives 100 years, we pay all the premiums back to him. Now
1 minute, Agarwal.
Yes.
1 minute, 1 minute. I just sorry to interrupt. So this plan is Sanchay Plus, all the four options are included, or only one?
No. Only one option, which is the long-term option.
Only long-term.
Yes.
Okay. So just specify that, because there would be some confusion.
Yeah. So there in the combo which we are talking now of Sanchay Maximizer. So Sanchay Plus option is that of long-term option, and Sanchay Par Advantage, the option is of immediate income option. Now, one more thing here I would like to say, okay, just to give some more clarity, is that whenever we are paying the premium, okay, whenever we are paying the premium, say today, let us take an example that we are paying a premium of 1 lakh of rupees. So if you are paying 1 lakh of rupees premium, 50% of the premium will go into Sanchay Plus and 50% of the premium will go into Sanchay Par Advantage. That means this is a inbuilt thing which is there. I cannot choose that, okay, I want 40% to go in, Sanchay Plus, and I want 60% to go in Sanchay Par Advantage. That is not there. By default, it is a 50-50 option where my premium will go into Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Maximizer, and accordingly, I will be able to get that benefit. To explain this slide further, because see, if you look at the slide, maybe for some people who are looking it for the first time, it may seem a bit complex that, okay, how this particular thing is working. So maybe, so let me make it more simpler for each one of us. Supposing today I'm paying a premium of 1 lakh of rupees. So 50,000 rupees goes into Sanchay Plus, wherein I will be paying the premium for 10 years. 11th year will be my waiting period. And thereafter, my payment will start for the next 25 years. After 25 years, I will be completing the term of 36 years, and then the whatever premium I had paid for 10 years, that is, I had paid 50,000 rupees, so 5 lakh of rupees will get paid to me. From Sanchay Par Advantage, I am paying 50,000 rupees, so the cash bonus will start be receiving by the customer from the very next year onwards, and that will be paid to me till 100 years. Post that, what I'm going to do is I am going to, whatever premium has been paid, that means for 10 years he paid 5 lakh of rupees, that 5 lakh along with the terminal bonus will be returned back to the customer. So this is how basically the product works. So this is one solution. Now, the other thing is that a question may come, all right, definitely will be open to question also, and my request will be that, if a question is coming into your mind, okay, please don't wait for us to complete this. Ask now only, because once as the question come, please ask, because I think that will provide us
No,
more
Bunty, we'll do it at the
clarity.
end because they are all muted. So
Okay,
we will
fair
be
enough.
either putting it on the chat box, the question.
Okay.
We'll do it at the end. Okay.
Okay, fair enough. So then we will take it at the end, not a problem at all, right? So this is how this particular actually combo will work. And once the customer receives the bond, they will receive two bonds. It is not one bond. They will receive two bonds, one of Sanchay Plus and one of Sanchay Par Advantage. Because what we are talking now is a solution which we are providing. Sanchay Maximizer in itself is not the name of a product. It is the name of a solution which comprises of two products, which is Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par Advantage. Yeah, can we move ahead? Okay. If we look at this particular slide, here you will come to know that what is the, once we are providing the policy to the customer, what can be the eligibility criteria of taking this policy. So minimum entry age for this particular policy will be 7 years and maximum entry age will be 60 years. Why we are saying 7 years? Because if you look at the plan, you will see that after 7 years, if the premium paying term is 10 years and there's a 1 year waiting period, and then the customer basically, so 7 years of the policy term is there. As you can see the plan options, it's already written over here that in Sanchay Plus we have got long-term income, and in Sanchay Par Advantage we have got the income option. So premium paying term as of now is only one, which is 10 years. And if you come to the last option, there you can see the premium split. The premium split will be 1:1. That means whatever premium I'm paying, 50% will go into Sanchay Plus and 50% of the premium will move into your Sanchay Par Advantage. So that is how it is a combination of two products wherein the premium allocation will be a default option, not a choice option. Yeah. If today I talk about the IRRs, okay, because you will see often the customer asks us more about IRR. So today, if I look at the IRR, so the internal rate of return, please note it is a very, very simple way to calculate the IRR. So over here, I am seeing that, based on the ages, my IRR on this product is for a 35-year-old is to the tune of 6.25%, and for 45 years it is 6.12%. So this particular combo is basically offering me higher IRRs for the customer as well. At the same point of time, guaranteed returns as well. Yeah. Okay. If I look at that, what the product is basically offering to me, so I can, if I'm going into one kind of a comparison, okay, then I can see over here that liquidity, if you compare with some of our competitors, then we see that, okay, we are providing the liquidity option, which is there. Okay, so liquidity option is there. We are providing guaranteed income. We are also providing a whole life cover. We are also providing income which can also be taken, that there are a lot of people who look at income for their golden years. That means for post 60 years also the income starts coming in. So this particular income, and the most important thing is that if I take a pension plan is whatever amount of money I receive. So the amount of money which I'm receiving is basically taxable. But over here, whatever amount of money I'm receiving is non-taxable. That means it is the 1010D compliant. So the amount of money which comes into my hand is totally tax-free. So that is an important point here to mention. Yeah. Okay, so the same comparison here has now been showed by one of our competitors' products. So I have actually already mentioned that how basically Sanchay maximizer actually works, the combo. One more thing important over here, since we are talking on maximizers, I think all of us are aware, but just to refresh, let me tell you that in your Sanchay Plus, okay, once I'm paying the premium, now during the premium paying term, in case death happens, okay, I'm going one on one so that we can better clarity. So if in a Sanchay Plus, during the premium paying term, if death happens, we are paying the death benefit to the customer, to the nominee. Yeah, we are paying death benefit to the nominee in case of death happens during the premium paying term. Okay, so once we are talking about Sanchay Maximizer, so just one thing I wanted to refresh here again. That was that in a Sanchay Plus, once I'm paying the premium and during the premium paying term, in case death happens, then the death benefit will be paid to the nominee. However, during the payout period, if death happens, in that case, the payout continues to be given to the nominee. The nominee continues to get the payout, and at the end of the policy term, okay, on maturity, they will get the premium. So that whatever premium has been paid, that particular premium will be given back to the uh, nominee. However, in case of a Sanchay Par Advantage, during the policy term, anytime if the death happens, then the death benefit will be provided to them. So this is one important point which actually we should note, that yes, the amount of money which is coming to the customer or the nominee, that is coming to them as a tax-free component, number one. Number two, during the premium paying term and the policy term, the combination is such that the income for the nominee continues. Yeah. Okay. We can move to the next one. Okay. Now see, if we talk about the sales pitch, okay, so often what happens whenever we see any product, so we see that, okay, what is the kind of sales pitch which we can provide to a customer. So if I'm saying that if you talk about the sales pitches, okay, see, it may differ from customer to customer, right? However, they can be certain things where I can, talk to the customer, stating to you what can be his need. Okay, so if I see a young person, okay, that means you can say a young aspirant of about 25-30 years. So his need can be, his lifestyle need can be that he would be looking at buying a car, or he may be looking at some trips, or he would be looking to increase his expenditure in lieu of his responsibility for his growing family. So the sales pitch for this particular combo can be that immediate liquidity will help the lifestyle. That means he can get a second income, which will start from Sanchay Par Advantage. So he can get a second income from there. Annual tax-free income will help him increase his expenditure, and also because a young aspirant would not like to pay taxes, so this amount of money will provide him the tax benefit, as well as the whatever income comes to him will be a tax-free component. Guaranteed income and lump sum will help him plan his goals for the future, and uh, whole life cover which we are providing to him through our Sanchay Par Advantage will also provide a financial security for the family. Yeah, but apart from that, if we are looking for the other life stages, so that also we will discuss. Yeah, we can move to the next slide. Okay, proud parents. Now today, if we talk about proud parents, so now they have got a long-term family goals. So today, if I talk about long-term family goals for proud parents, it is more than family vacation. It is important of child higher education. Now today, if you see, child higher education is basically the cost is high. Also, they would also be looking for some supplement income to help that expenditure, like schooling fees, schooling help child to pursue their hobbies, or some vacation, also to buy a new house or some state planning and secure the family future as well. Now, once I'm pitching them the combos, what can be my, some probable pitches is that immediate income will help them in their recurring expenses. Like if there are certain EMIs, so I can plan my income, that I know that apart from whatever the salaries and whatever the incomes I'm doing, with that these EMIs will come to me, and from these EMIs I can clear some loans or some liabilities which are there. And guaranteed income will also help me for my long term goals for my family, which I know that yes, over a period of next 25 years I'm going to get the guaranteed income. So this amount of money is going to come to me irrespective of any market scenarios, along with the cash bonuses which I will be receiving. Guaranteed lump sum payment which help me achieve some milestones in life. Like I'm saying that in from a Sanchay Plus, post the 25 years of payment, I'm receiving a lump sum amount of money which comes to me in the form of my return of premium. Okay, if that will help me in meeting up my some big milestone, okay, so where I will be getting this amount of money. And whole life cover will definitely help me securing my family's future. And over here, one important aspect I would also like to say, that today if a person has taken this particular policy, today I'm talking about a proud parent. Yeah, so if today I'm talking about, if let us look at a scenario or an example here. So once I was looking at this particular combo, one important thing which I was looking at, so I would just like to share it over here. Maybe this will help, this may help us also. See, supposing you see a proud parent who today is about 35 years, okay, or 40 years, and he's thinking that, okay, chalo, let me think about my son or daughter's higher education or marriage. Sorry, so son's higher education or marriage. So if they're looking at that, so after 25 years they receive the amount of money, and they will be able to provide for the higher education, or they will be able to provide for the benefit of the child, or they can also plan for their retirement as well. Now, from Sanchay Par Advantage, the policy continues till 100 years. So whatever amount of money comes from there, they can also, plan a state for their next generation, that is for the grandchildren as well. So this can also be done, and this can just be a sales pitch or a thought process which we can put it out to them. Yeah, can we move on to the next slide? Okay. So if I talk from the perspective of wisdom investors, they would like to maintain their, they would like to maintain their standard of living post their retirement also, as they would not like to compromise on anything. They would also like to secure their income for medical exigencies, because as age goes up, now people are more, remaining more fit. The life expectancy has also increased. Okay, and definitely this will help them also to have a tax efficient pension income in their golden years, wherein they will not have any tax liabilities. Also, what I was just talking to you sometime back, it can also help in legacy planning. Immediate income basically, helps in a lot of ways, not only to one set of people, but different set of people as a whole, wherein they are able to get income to meet their lifestyle as well, and they know that yes, this is the amount of income which is going to come to me over a period of time. Guaranteed income will also help them store money for their medical expenses and other emergencies and exigencies. Tax-free income will be a great relief, where in the golden years they will be able to save money or on tax. And lump sum corpus will help in a state or legacy planning as well. Whole life cover is a very very important factor over here, because as age increases, it becomes difficult to get coverage, okay, especially in case of insurance. So over here we are seeing that yes, even at the increased age, the coverage is there. So the customer is able to the customer is able to have that coverage over a higher age as well, and at the same point of time provide financial security to the family. Yeah. Okay, so over here, this is what was there in this particular combo. However, now I will be more than happy to answer any questions which we have got on this particular combo related to the product or the process or how the product works. If there's any question, we can open the forum for questions.
Team, put your questions in the chat box. We'll answer one by one. Vaibhav and Mangesh, this is there. The link is there to calculate in the link for the Sanchay Maximizer.
So Trupti, we would be providing you the redirection link through which you can source the customers. On the landing page, we would be putting it up in about 7 to 10 days,
Okay.
along with the new term plan which would be coming in.
Okay, great. Team, if any questions, please. I think everybody knows Sanchay Plus and
Somebody has posted one question that can you please repeat of
no,
last
it was
one
Gaurav who had lost
at that
network
point
that
of time which we had. Okay, fair enough. Yeah.
Gaurav, it's okay, or you want which line was that to be repeated?
Yeah. So you can please let me know, and please, I would request you to ask me question because I do not want to have a perception about myself that I'm so good that at one go I'm able to explain everything.
No, actually, the team is aware of Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par, right? We've been selling those.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Thank you so
it's a
much.
combo plan, right? So
Yeah.
only thing is that only Sanchay Plus all options are not included. So that's fair enough. They have understood that.
Yes.
Team, any questions?
So guys, it's a good product, and actually in case if you feel that you have any question, you can ask, and otherwise definitely, whenever you're trying to convince a client on this, do take care of the points or the sales pitch which Bunty explained to us, and we'll be sharing this presentation also. So
Already shared.
focus
Piyush,
on
I've already shared.
pitch. Great. So Tripti, I think you can give closing remarks and then we can conclude if there's no question.
Yes, as rightly said by Piyush, it's a good product and it's a combo plan. So we were always keen for combo plans, right? And everybody knows Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par. So thank you, Mr. Bunty Agarwal for taking us to this presentation. And thanks to Vaibhav and Mangesh. Yes, Vaibhav.
Before we close,
Yeah, Mangesh, I wanted you, but no, that team is not there. All are not there. So we'll talk on that other.
Trupti, one more point which I wanted to make, not regarding this product, but regarding one of our other favorites, C2P 3D, right? So C2P 3D would be closing down very soon.
Yeah, that your Rajat is posting every day. Now it's 20th, no?
As soon as 20th of January, then we would be having a new term plan which would be coming in.
Yeah. So we'll have a discussion on that new product also.
Right. So if the rates are likely to get increased, right? So if anyone wants to purchase C2B 3D, right? So they can definitely pitch to the customers. Even if you want to pay, you want to buy it for yourself or your family members, you can go ahead and do it. This is the right time.
Yes. Any questions, team? Should I wind up?
Yeah, I think Tripti.
Yeah, I know. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks everybody for joining. Thank you, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you everybody.